In Filestage, you can review live websites and HTML files just like any other file type. To get started, click the Upload File icon in your project. Then select Import Website and paste in the URL you want to review. The website will open inside the Filestage viewer. From here, you can interact with it just like in a browser. Scroll, click, navigate between pages, and open menus or dialogues. At the bottom of the screen, you can switch between Browse mode and Comment mode. In Browse mode, you can explore the website freely. To give feedback, switch to Comment mode and click anywhere on the page. Filestage will place a marker on the selected element, and your comment will appear in the sidebar. When someone clicks on a comment, Filestage scrolls to the exact place on the live website where the feedback was left, making it easy to understand the context. Markers are anchored to the real elements on the website, so you always know exactly what the comment refers to. If you want to draw annotations or comment on dynamic elements, like pop-ups or hover menus, you'll need to use the Chrome extension. In those cases, Filestage captures a screenshot and includes it with your comment. For each comment, Filestage also saves helpful metadata, like the screen size, browser version, and the exact URL, so your team has full context during the review. If the website changes while you're reviewing, you can click the refresh button to load the latest version, and that's how website reviews work in Filestage.